Hi everybody, Brian here from quantlabs.net. Before I get started, just to remind you, we're about to set up the trading script, automate your crypto trading. If you're interested in that, come over to quantlabs.net/questions. Get these answered, send them over to support quantlabs.net. We'll be able to talk, see if you behind the scenes, get some private chat server and PDFs and whatnot. So let's talk about today being 256 January 26th. A lot of people think it's the death of Bitcoin. It definitely had to come down. This was going to happen. Ethereum would take off, and then you start seeing some of the more established and newer DeFi coins come about, and is exactly very good. Because of the downward pressure, we're seeing nothing but shorting. You can see here, Chainlink is hitting in, or when you run the scan on it. So that's just something you might want to hodl on Binance futures. XTC has had a really good day yesterday. I was pretty daily here. So you can see here there's quite a bit of volume, and it's still been hammered, but profit legs along the way. Here's another one. VET did well as well. Nice run up, going back into its decline. This is the one I like, Theta. Theta's always been a great coin. See some big moves here recently. If I show up the 1 hour, you got this nice long. It's one of the few coins that actually have these longs, and consistently it works really well. If I show you the daily chart here, it looks not too good, but this one can always come to that. Was pretty active. Let me just check. Yesterday, but I'm not going to really worry about it. But if you see the chart here, again, that's a 15-minute chart. If you look at the hourly, 3,200, so that's no different than Bitcoin. Nice run up there. You gotta like it. But as I said, it's been in a steady decline. But that was what was trading the last few days. Bitcoin, YFI. Let's look at this new one called 1 inch. This one, profit leg ups. These are the ones where you do profit. You know, these are not small, like 240, 241 to 270. That's 30 cents. So it's a nice 10% move in a very short period of time. When you get these, like this one, up to 255, another 10% return. So 1, 2, 3. You could. That's what I'm saying. There's a lot of coins that you never hear of, but that do perform. So the bot does. It's how it. 55 cents on that close at 2:46 a.m. and it's still kind of in play all the way up to 56. So not a lot, but again, on a daily, pretty good, pretty well. 15-minute chart, you can see here. I will take this low here, 11:32, all the way up to, you can see this one right here, earlier today at 6 p.m. We're looking at 8 o'clock, 235 there, 54, all the way up to 285. So again, 10-20% return. Okay, that's just from today. Some really cool things. So again, this is good old Motorwave. I use this for cycles. I've shown this a few times. These are all the different types of cycles that you can have on Bitcoin. If we were to follow this logic of this cycle right here in cyan, so our next big leg up might not be that on historical trend. Ethereum, I mean, I'm just shocked at that. Just to move up there. This is a 1 week chart, so we'll look at the 1 day chart. Just amazing. So we'll do the same thing, and see what we got here. So our next big leg up will be February 4th, January 27th today. So today's the 26th. So maybe tomorrow there might be a short-term pop. See right there on this purple one, again the 14th. So depending upon which cycle you want to hit, I would say this one right here on the 14th is the one you want. That's pretty good. If any of you have requests, let me know. I'll gladly pull it up. Price. We got one here. Here's another big leg up, and that looks like it's 725. Oh, I'm sorry. That's a 5th. But we can have another one. Again, February 14th seems to be a key date for crypto historically. Now, if we go back to Bitcoin and I tried an hourly time frame, let's see what it does. Might be in this time. What's the price right now? 20.31. So actually, it's calling for a 29.33 pullback. So it's not quite lined up. And let me look at Ethereum as well in the 1 hour. I think 1 hour is a good time frame to look at. Here we have this one, a double diamond. And then we have here, that's a single. Here, nothing. Diamonds here. So maybe, just maybe, this might be the end of the line for Ethereum historical. There seems to be no requests. I'll leave it at that. We've played around here with some of the bigger coin to know more about this and to get automated trading with crypto. Let's go to quantlabs.net/questions, or just get on our email list at our forum, private forum. Getting pretty active in there now. Lifetime access. Quantlabs.net/DVD. All right, we'll leave it at that. No questions or comments came in. We shall have a good night. Later.